Nishika, welcome you back to Abhyas Institute of Education. So in today's video, we will be learning Les Salutations. Les Salutations, which means the greetings. So even if we don't know how to speak a good French language and even we are not an expert in it, but if we know the greetings, if we greet someone well in our meetings in college, it is going to give a good impression. So let's start with Les Salutations. So we have two words which we can use on any time of the day. The first word is salut, salut, and the second is bonjour, bonjour. Salut simply means saying hi, and bonjour can mean good day, greetings, good morning, good evening, anything. We can use these two words at any time of the day. The first word is salut, and the second word is bonjour. Now, after shifting, if we are meeting someone in afternoon, then we greet them by saying bon après-midi, bon après-midi. If you are meeting someone in evening, we say bonsoir, bonsoir. And in the night, we say bonne nuit, bonne nuit. Now, when we are leaving, what are the words that we use? We say au revoir, which means goodbye. We say à demain, which means see you tomorrow. We say à bientôt, which means see you soon. We say bonne journée, which means have a good day. After greeting someone, we usually ask them that how are they doing, how are they. So for that, we have some expressions. The formal expression of asking someone, how are you doing, we say, comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? How are you doing? And if we're asking to our friend or someone, we can simply say, comment vas-tu? Comment vas-tu? Let's repeat. The formal way of asking someone is, comment allez-vous? And the informal way to asking your friend or someone, your family member, you can say, comment vas-tu? The reply of telling someone that I'm doing good, you can simply say, je vais bien. Je vais bien. Comment vas-tu and comment allez-vous are still something which is formal. Or you can simply say, ça va, and the reply can be, bien, pas mal, not bad. And the reply itself can be ça va. Ça va can be a question, how are you doing? And ça va can be the answer, I'm doing good. Whenever someone asks you, how are you doing? If they ask you, comment vas-tu, ça va, make sure you remember to ask them, how are they doing? For that, the response will be, je vais bien, merci. I am doing good, thank you. Et vous or et toi? Je vais bien, merci. Et vous or et toi? Now, if you want to welcome someone, we say bienvenue, bienvenue. Now we have some general greetings like please. For please, we say s'il vous plaît, or we say s'il te plaît, s'il te plaît. Always remember, vous is for formal and toi is for informal. S'il vous plaît, s'il te plaît. Now, if we have to say excuse me, we say excusez-moi, excusez-moi, excuse me, excuse-moi. Excusez-moi is formal, excuse-moi is informal. The next we have merci. Merci means thank you. And we say de rien when we say welcome. The next we have félicitations. Félicitations. Félicitations means congratulations. And then we have bonne chance. Bonne chance, which means good luck. After having a conversation with someone, you can just end it by saying enchanté, enchanté, which means pleasure talking to you. Enchanté. Now let's just quickly revise all our greetings. Bonjour. Keep repeating. Bonjour. Salut. Bon après-midi. Bonne soirée. Bonne nuit. Bienvenue. Au revoir. À bientôt. À demain. S'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît. Merci. Excusez-moi. Félicitations. Bonne chance. And the questions, how are you doing? Comment allez-vous? Comment vas-tu? So these were the greetings which are necessary to greet someone and to build a good impression on someone during a professional and personal life both. So keep practicing. See you soon in next video. Enchante.